everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm going to be using this mould. I got this mould from Temu. It makes a beautiful, it's called a boat tray mould. It makes a nice bowl. So I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to be using Aquacast. But there's something I've wanted to try and been a bit frightened to try. Every time I think about it, I think I'd love to do that, but it absolutely terrifies me, is Terrazzo. Right, so I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be making the Terrazzo chips as well. And I'm going to be making it in like an Halloween theme, just the colours basically. So we'll get started, shall we? It's all dry now, and I'm just going to break it up. Easy to do. Just smush it up. That'll do for now. It's all mixed up now. Don't want them too small, but some of them are a bit too big. Just make sure you get them all. Right, I mixed it all up, and all I need to do now is mix up the Aquacast, and then I can put these in. I've left it fairly thick, the Aquacast, because I just think it'll probably hold them, suspend them better, or for longer. Some of them are quite big. Can't believe I'm doing it. I've wanted to for so long. Right, I'll bring the mould in, and we'll see if we can get it in. I've made about 500 grams of Aquacast. It's nice and hard now. It's had a couple of hours. I've been to pick my car up from garage because it failed its MOT, so at least I've had something to do. I've not been sat here hoping and praying that it's cured. Let's get it out, shall we? Quite easy to get out, this one. Fairly decent mould considering it's from Temu. Very decent. Right. There we go. It looks kind of nice as it is. Although I'm not going to leave it like that. It does. All I've got to do with it now is sand it all. I'm going to wet sand it, use water and a wet and dry sandpaper. Really, you should leave it for a good 24 to 48 hours. But for the purpose of the video, I can't do that. So I'll leave it a couple of hours and then I'll sand it. It's been sanded now. Like I say, I wet sanded it. It's still got some moisture in. I can feel it. I've had it on my heat mat for a couple of hours because the weather's shocking. It's not as if I can stick it outside, but it's come up really nice. I'm really quite pleased. Not really the colours I would have picked for a nice pretty dish. But it is Halloween themed, just the time of the year. I thought it might be nice, especially seeing as it's my first time trying it. I am gonna, even though there's some moisture in, I am gonna wax it. I'm just not gonna wax the bottom and then leave it that way up, and then the water can evaporate, can't it? But for the sake of this video, I'm going to wax it now. What I use is Clark's Stone and Concrete Wax. It's really lovely stuff, this, and it smells fantastic. And I use a little makeup sponge. Just give it a good coating. And it should bring the colours out a bit more, you know, just make them pop a bit. It is a bit. I definitely want to try this again now, though. Don't know what colours to use. I'm just going to have a play about. Yeah, in all different moulds till I find something I like. I'd like a nice blue one in, say, a soap dish for the bathroom. That'd be nice. Yeah, I'm going to give it a whiz. I'll leave that and I'll polish it up. I'll give it about half hour and then I'll polish it up for the photos. But what do you think? Yeah, for my first attempt, I think I'm really rather pleased. I think that's kind of nice. Anyway, there we go. I just want to remind everybody that there isn't a video on Friday as usual. It will be on Saturday, and it will be the collaboration with Tracy at Mini Scenes GB and Crafty YouTubers United. I'd love to see you all there. That would be fantastic. I hope you've liked this video, and I'll see you on Saturday. Like and subscribe if you fancy. Bye for now.